Okay friends, we are on this HSK Standard Course 1 Workbook on page 16. So today we are going to learn some Chinese characters, 汉字。第一部分 Part 1第1至2题，描写每组汉字中相应的笔画。Questions 1 to 2. Trace the corresponding stroke in each pair of characters. So we have number 1. So this is the stroke, 横折钩. So 横折钩 meaning horizontal stroke with a downward turn and a hook. So this is the writing. So we have these two characters here. So one is 门, another one is 月. So 门, this is door, and then this is moon, 月. So basically we are emphasized on this stroke here. So basically, if you can, you buy this pen. So this is a pen. This is a brush pen basically. So instead of just mechanical pencil. So 横折钩. So this is a proper writing. 横折钩. 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 So if you write using mechanical pencil, so the result is not very pleasant. So you can try to buy the brush pen instead of mechanical pencil. So another one, so this is 月 moon. So we have this horizontal stroke and then slightly longer, and then we have a hook. So total we have these 3 strokes. And then second, we have, okay, I will maximize it a bit. So we have 握钩. So 握钩basically is downward stroke from top left to bottom right, and then a hook. So this is a writing, 握钩. So we have these round 2 strokes. So you need to write it properly. Xin, so meaning is heart in English. So this is Ning. Ning is a greeting for older person or someone you respect. So Ning. And then let's go to the second part here. So part 2. 第3题，看笔顺，写独体字。Question 3. Look at the stroke order and practice writing the single component characters. So we have this again. So this is in full writing. So I will just demonstrate just a few characters. So 月. So this is the first. And then we have the second stroke here. And then the third. And then the final one. So I will just write 2 times. So again, the first stroke. And then we have the second. And then the third. And the final one. And then this one, xin. So the first stroke. And then we have 握钩. And then we have dot here, 2 dots. And then 1 dot is just inside, and then we have another one outside. So again, so the first stroke, second stroke, the third, and the final one. So I just write 2 times. So next we go to the third character here. So 中 meaning is middle. So we have the first stroke, and then the second one, and then the third, and the final one. So first, second, third, and the final one. So next we go to the last character here. So the last one, this is 人. 人 meaning is human. So there are only 2 strokes. So we have this left stroke here, and then the second stroke. So the first stroke, and then we have the second stroke. So it really depends what pen you use. So this is, I will use a brush pen, so it is up to you to use mechanical pencil. So this is, I just want to emphasize on the strokes here so that you are familiar with the Chinese strokes. So that's it for today. So before I end this video, so I want to share with you, you can download my free ebook here. So this is an ebook written by me. So, and then you can download on by clicking the link in the description. So you are exploring to these 100 most common Chinese character. So you got a chance to learn how to write 100 most common Mandarin Chinese character. So you can read a quick guide here. So there's a quick guide, just 1 page, and then you can join my Telegram robot here. So I have included this URL here, so you can join my Telegram robot that I downloaded for free. And then you can write the Chinese character on this well-presented grid. So we have English definition for this character, and then we have the pinyin, and then the red color is a radical, so R is a radical, and then STR is the total strokes for this Chinese character, and then the blue is the remaining strokes. So you can write it properly. So this is the first character, so you can just download it free and then print it up. So you got a chance to explore around 100 characters. So this is among the most common characters in Chinese language. So if you want to explore more Chinese books, you can always visit this URL here. So learnchinesebooks.blogspot.com. So that's it for today. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can consume the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram robot for free.